Campus Regina Public Automotive is different than your homeschool shop because we work on customer cars. We work on customer cars because we want you to get real-life experience in the shop working on jobs you would encounter in a real shop. We are partnered with Capital Auto Mall, which allows students to complete a work experience placement alongside industry experts. Capital Auto Mall and Cal Tire have hired over 75 of our students. They work in the quick lanes at night and weekends, and when they have proven themselves, they get promoted into the main shop where they have the opportunity for apprenticeship. The equipment used in our shop is industry standard. This makes it easier to transition into the auto industry. Students in this class receive an automotive credit and an English credit.